Learn health in English in
Gujarati,
Funny Guide to
Arogya, Poshan.
and more. Welcome to your health adventure. Hey, you are about to learn useful Gujarati words without falling asleep on page 1. Unless we reach the sleep word, in which case that would be strangely on theme. Today your mission is simple. Learn health words in English and Gujarati through a silly little story. Meet Ravi, a man who wants perfect.
Arogya,
Reads about.
Poshan.
Promises more.
Chadavar,
Complains about.
Tanav,
Dreams of better.
Ungh,
Tries to avoid.
Bimari,
Asks for.
Sarvar,
When needed, and finally learns.
Savacheti.
That is a full day, honestly. Ravi versus the legendary healthy life. Listen closely and imagine the scene like a mini-comedy film. You do not need to memorize everything at once, just enjoy the ride. Ravi woke up one morning, looked in the mirror, and announced, "From today, I choose."
Arogya,
Exclamation mark single quote. The mirror did not clap, which felt rude. He opened the fridge and discovered yesterday's cake, mysterious sauce, and one brave cucumber. He sighed and said, "Real.
Poshan.
Probably does not look like leftover birthday frosting." So Ravi made a healthy breakfast and told himself, "Good.
Poshan.
Helps my."
Arogya,
Then he remembered that he had also promised more.
Chadavar,
He stretched, took 3 energetic steps, and immediately felt like a retired superhero returning for one final mission. Regular.
Chadavar,
Keeps the body healthy, he said, while dramatically power walking to the mailbox. But then work began. Emails multiplied. His phone rang. A meeting appeared. Another meeting appeared to discuss the first meeting. Ravi whispered, "Ah yes, my old friend."
Tanav,
Single quote. He noticed tight shoulders and remembered, deep breathing helps reduce.
Tanav,
So he inhaled slowly, exhaled slowly, and did not throw his laptop out the window. This was progress. That evening Ravi was so tired that he told his friend, "I do not need a vacation. I need."
Ungh,
His friend replied, "Correct. Your face looks like it was charged with only 2% battery." Good.
Ungh,
Ravi remembered, helps the body recover. A week later he ignored rest, skipped meals, and worked too much. Surprise. He got a small.
Bimari,
Nothing dramatic, but enough to keep him in bed complaining like a tragic poet. He visited the doctor, who explained the
Bimari,
clearly and offered.
Sarvar,
Ravi nodded seriously as if he were signing an international peace treaty. Good.
Sarvar,
Can help people recover faster. Finally, the doctor said, "Next time, use."
Savacheti,
Sleep well. Eat better. Move more. Do not wait until your body sends a complaint letter. Ravi agreed. Since then, he has loved.
Arogya,
Respected.
Poshan,
Practiced.
Chadavar,
Reduced.
Tanav,
Protected his.
Ungh,
Avoided.
Bimari,
Appreciated.
Sarvar,
And remembered.
Savacheti.
Also, he finally threw away the mysterious sauce. Quick word spotlight. Now let us slow things down and make each key word easy to catch. Repeat out loud if you want, your walls can handle it. Health is.
Arogya,
Good health is more valuable than money becomes a life motto with better snacks. Nutrition is.
Poshan,
Think colorful food, not a lonely chip pretending to be a vegetable. Movement is.
Chadavar,
Even a walk to the kitchen counts, although a victory dance counts more dramatically. Stress is.
Tanav,
It is that feeling when your to-do list has its own to-do list. Sleep is.
Ungh,
Your pillow fully supports this lesson. Illness is.
Bimari,
Not fun, not stylish, and definitely not a hobby. Treatment is.
Sarvar,
This is what helps when.
Bimari,
Shows up uninvited. Precaution is.
Savacheti.
It means being careful before things become exciting in the wrong way. Mini dialogue at the clinic. Here comes a short dialogue. Listen for the target words and picture the scene. Doctor, how is your
आरोग्य
these days? Ravi, better, but too much.
तनाव
Makes it hard to focus. Doctor, then reduce,
तनाव
improve,
पोषण
and get more.
ऊंघ
Ravi, I am also trying to add more
चढ़वड़
to my day. Doctor, excellent, that can protect your
आरोग्य
and lower the risk of.
बीमारी
Ravi, and if I do get sick? Doctor, then we give proper.
सारवार
But first, practice.
सावचेती
Memory tricks that actually behave. Let us glue these words into your brain with funny images. The stranger the image, the better it sticks. Picture a glowing apple wearing sunglasses for.
आरोग्य
It says, I am the CEO of wellness. Imagine a giant plate of vegetables giving a TED talk on.
पोषण
The broccoli has excellent posture. See a dancing shoe hopping around the room for.
चढ़वड़
It refuses to sit still. Visualize.
तनाव
As a backpack full of clocks, alarms, and one very dramatic email notification. 4.
ऊंघ
Imagine a pillow whispering, come back, brave learner. 4.
बीमारी
Think of a grumpy cloud with a thermometer. It is not invited to the party. 4.
सारवार
Imagine a doctor building a bridge from sickness to health. 4.
सावचेती
Picture a bright stop sign holding an umbrella before the rain starts. Fast quiz, no panic. Time for a quick check. If you miss one, that is fine. This is learning, not a game show with dramatic lighting. What is the Gujarati word for health?
आरोग्य
What is the Gujarati word for nutrition?
पोषण
What is the Gujarati word for movement?
चढ़वड़
What is the Gujarati word for stress?
तनाव
What is the Gujarati word for sleep?
ऊंघ
What is the Gujarati word for illness?
बीमारी
What is the Gujarati word for treatment?
सारवार
What is the Gujarati word for precaution?
सावचेती
Your challenge today. Now you try using the words. Keep it simple, keep it fun, and yes, talking to yourself counts as practice. Say, I care about my.
आरोग्य
Single quote. Say, good.
पोषण
Is important. Say, regular.
चढ़वड़
Helps the body. Say, deep breathing reduces.
तनाव
Single quote. Say, I need more.
ऊंघ
Single quote. Say, the doctor explained the.
बीमारी
Single quote. Say, good.
सारवार
Helps people recover. Say, use.
सावचेती
Single quote. Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You made it through health vocabulary with courage, curiosity, and hopefully decent posture. Today you practiced.
आरोग्य पोषण चढ़वड़ तनाव ऊंघ बीमारी सारवार
And.
सावचेती
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing a little every day, say the words out loud, and come back anytime for another round. Your Gujarati is growing, and that is excellent for your language.
आरोग्य
2.